Okay, this is Veronica, very sweet, fluffy white cat. As always, we're going to start with the body piece. Line that up with the bottom edge of your block. And then I put in the head. Almost all of the cats follow this same pattern. Get the head in there. I'm going to tip her head a little bit more than what the pattern calls for. Well, yeah, I'm going to tip it a little bit more. Then we're going to do some ears. I'm going to put her ears right along the sides of her head there, so it kind of becomes a continuous line there. She doesn't have any eyes because I gave her calm, sleepy eyes. She does have a little nose. There she is, ready for outlining.